Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Baked Ziti
in the building. Tell them what you put in there first, because
before I tell you what I put inside of it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You gotta subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 5,000, and we will appreciate it so that we can move on to being on our way to 10,000.
Yes, subscribe if you love negativity.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Family member, bless up yourself to all the family members, you know, and the viewers, you know. But we're gonna talk about something real quick. But you know what I'm saying? What you got in there first, lady? You gotta get it out early, because you know you know what I mean? We come to chat.
You can't chat, So I have Baked Ziti. This has sausage, ground chicken, and Italian chicken, ground Italian sausage, right?
Yes.
But it's chicken, right? And then I have tomato sauce, I have cheese, mozzarella cheese, I have parmigiano, I have ricotta. It's delicioso.
Yes, yeah, turn Spanish might give me some writing, man.
So I wanted to
take the first cut with us, family, and listen to me. Y'all better eat some today. What do you want? One plate? Y'all better eat some today, because this is a lot. No, we're not going to eat this off, so you already know. We brought it for y'all, you know what I'm saying?
This came fresh off the pot. Yes.
Damn.
And this is a beef sausage that I got
take your time, take your time. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Should I show it to them, honey?
Sure, get there, show it. You
honey
know they
bun?
don't like that. Yeah,
Oh
show
my
that.
God.
Look at that. It's that steam
So hot.
Look at that. What kind of cheese is there, Ricardo?
Mozzarella, ricotta.
Family.
Let me know. Be honest too, Tom.
You know, I'll be honest. You know, that's one thing. We will give a full opinion. Even if it's clickbait.
This guy is not going to stop.
Before we get too far in the video, appreciate the family members. But you know, we're going to have to chop it up, family members. You know, this don't go for y'all. You know what I'm saying? This go for all the people that love negativity. More than positivity. Me and First did a thing. You know what I'm saying? Me and First said, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do a little clickbait. Everybody do it. Even though we don't need to do it, you feel me? But other YouTuber do it, why don't we do it too? But it wasn't for that reason. You know what I'm saying? We did it to see how much people is very negative. And when they come and see that it's not negative, they get mad. Why is that? You feel me, family? Y'all saw the videos. This, you know what I'm saying? Alice said, family, this don't go for y'all. We talking about the viewers that be hiding in the bushes, and they come out when they see the negativity, you know?
Your family members are going to watch us regardless.
Regardless. You know what I'm saying?
If you like our channel, we appreciate it.
Yep.
But, you know, they come on the channel. They've never watched before.
Never watch us.
Or maybe they have.
I don't know. You know what they do.
And they don't watch us that often, which is fine.
Not good.
But then they saw a title and they were intrigued. And then it was almost like they got upset.
Yes, because it didn't go their way.
You know? I understand the title said one thing, but focus on what we said. How we ate our food. We was enjoying the hell out of that food.
Shout out to Trick Daddy. Much love. It was busting. You feel me, Trick? But we had to do that. But yeah, we said the first day, but this is busting too. Your mature opinion? It's horrible.
So why are you eating it?
I'm giving my real opinion. Now, but family members, you know. So, comment down everything. Most people like to hear negativity than positivity. You know what I'm saying? Because we sure seen some of that in the comment. When they get their way, when they ain't wanted to see, me and First just laugh. You know what I'm saying? But we appreciate y'all. The real ones.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, we appreciate the people who came and watched.
Yeah.
We appreciate that.
They came, they gave us the view.
Because some of them came on there, watched it.
And laugh and say,
and laugh.
Yeah.
I said, I'm subscribing. So
yes, exactly. We appreciate it. And for the one that subscribed too, we appreciate y'all too. No cap. You know what I'm saying? They came over there, seen it and said, okay, I see y'all. And liked it. and subscribe.
How many videos have we done where we're talking about a restaurant?
Exactly.
In the title we put, this restaurant was so good, best food ever. Nothing.
Nothing.
As soon as we put this title, everything.
It's crazy though. That's
we appreciate it.
That's how the world is. Okay.
But
Because they watched the video when they saw what they didn't want to see. Everything turned. But as I said, not because it's a famous person, whatever, we're gonna give the real opinion. If we go there and it's not, we're gonna tell you it's not. You feel me? Why we gonna lie about it? We ain't getting them from that.
And then why couldn't you think of it as we are putting that title to get you to come to watch so you can hear how great the restaurant is?
Exactly.
Huh?
Good one.
Why it has to be, you're just trying to get us to watch, blah, 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 blah. And then when I got here...
Throw the apples in.
Yeah. One person said you're you know, doing negative for somebody's business. No. No.
That's right.
People are going to watch what we're saying.
Exactly.
Okay?
That's
what
the main
we're
thing.
saying. That's the main thing.
Well, anyway, first, let's enjoy a meal, okay?
Yeah, man.
Family
member, how was your weekend?
How was your weekend? Let's get back to the real thing right now. We came here for it.
It was good.
Do y'all eat these stuff too?
Big video.
That you never try that. So why you say that? Heat's in the building. I'm not calling no name.
Oh,
Heat's
Lord.
all the way. But yeah, family. Did you ever try this? And what if you tried it? What do you put in it? You know what I miss on this? Yes. Jamaican German. I love it, but it's a sauce.
What?
Barbecue sauce, my own.
Oh, barbecue sauce will go good on this. Should have got that instead of the hot sauce. And I'm working.
Of course. I've been waiting for this. This is a horrible meal. Family, we're not going to talk too much about this. Appreciate this meal. First thing, you always do a good job, you know.
Oh my God, that's the
That's
cheese pull for me. Too fala fashion.
Too fala fashion, man. You're too damn nosy like the people that come to your channel by you. The pulled cheese for me, family.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
And barbecue sauce?
Yeah, I'm going to need it, please. I didn't want to.
I'll be back.
Yes, family, you know.
I am back.
Family, who wants some? Enjoy.
This a lot.
This a lot. You better eat some today, for real. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yep, let us know.
Oh.
Give what you want.
I have to tell you guys where I got this recipe from. I'm going to link her channel in the comment section. You have to go try it out. I followed this step by step. And it is good.
Busting.
It's just like I envisioned it. You ever watch somebody's channel and they're eating something and you're like, I know it's good? This is what happened when I watched her channel. I said, I know it is good. I just know. You know? And it is good.
I was craving for this.
Richie said he wanted 3 meat?
3 meat. I love the meat. Good, yo. You want me to see the truth, right? I'm going to see the truth.
It's horrible.
It's horrible, family. You know, family, I got to drink this, you know, when it is already.
I like it like this. You can see the whole thing.
Yeah. You reach as far, subscribe. Yes. Subscribe again. Yeah. Yeah. Hit the bell, yeah? That's right. Hit the bell also. I am Richie if you're new. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. Come join the family, you know?
Let us know in the comment section, our family members, if you were offended by the title of last week's video.
Yeah. Be honest. Okay? They not offended. You know why? They know we give a true review.
Yep.
That's one thing we do.
And not even that, they know we grinding.
Yeah, we grind. Yeah.
All the big YouTubers do it.
Exactly.
Nobody says anything.
Yep. You know what
All
I'm
we
saying?
can do, we trying to get big too.
Exactly. Real talk. Yeah.
How are you guys gonna find us then? Right?
Yeah. But again, appreciate all the one that came and saw it and subscribe again. Welcome to the team. Real family over here. Yo. You had ricotta cheese by them?
Ricotta and the mozzarella.
Yeah, the next piece.
Next one?
Yeah.
Okay, fork, honey.
The next piece, man. Family, it's horrible.
One scoop like this is
Yes,
good?
that's good.
Okay.
Yes. I gotta watch my figure.
You watching your figure? You need the whole something, you know? You gotta watch your figure.
Watch figure, my yo. I'm eating for the family because they come like they don't want to eat. I don't know why. When we make a lot, y'all don't want it. Y'all don't want to eat. Yeah, this person is done now. You know, I don't call it name no more.
Oh, God. Whatever is left,
Freeze.
it will get frozen.
And it will get eat.
Probably right back on the channel.
Yeah, right. We gonna come back with the leftovers, family. No cap. But this is delicious though, family. First, they always make good food. And you don't make ziti a lot, you know that, right?
It's my first time.
You didn't make ziti before?
Ah.
So you said you did from my friend's house? Okay.
When, that was like...
Oh, it was lasagna I'm thinking about.
Yeah, that was like, yeah. I made lasagna.
I'm thinking of lasagna. It's almost the same. Yeah.
But one thing in her recipe that I like, she used ricotta and sour cream to mix it up. I like that. It tastes really good. But her recipe is really good.
This tastes good. Yeah.
So, if I ever make lasagna, because I'm not a fan of ricotta cheese, but the way she made it, I really like it. So if I ever make lasagna, that's how I'm going to make my ricotta cheese.
That's why you only one scoop you took already?
I took 2.
You took 2 scoops?
But 1.5.
Wow.
It's a lot of pasta. I'm gonna give some to my niece. It's in the container.
Who always send them some? I know who's gonna say. I know who's gonna say. Let me see who wants some. Comment down.
I feel like this weekend went by fast. Yep. Yesterday was fun. Yesterday, my sister made her famous red pea soup.
Good up soup.
And we had some family come over. And we just chilled and ate soup and chat until we couldn't chat no more.
Everybody doing like they want boxes my fork out my mouth.
Somebody always boxing the fork out of your mouth. Yeah, I know you guys didn't think we was gonna eat all the ziti. That will be.
Come on now. They know we don't get none like that. We bring to help share with y'all. It's because it's a happy Monday, you know? So we want y'all to eat with us.
This is a lot of food.
It's a lot of food. Family, you know we ain't eat up on that. You know, we don't do that.
This can feed about another 6 people.
Good. You don't get none like that, huh? We eat what our belly could hold.
Yeah.
But other than that.
I know you guys are like, what happened to the Friday Live?
Oh yeah, oh my.
Our daughter was sick, and we had to take her to the urgent care. So by the time we got back, it was like 7 o'clock, and we was like...
It was late, probably.
It was late.
So, you know how that goes already. But she good now.
Exactly. No stuff.
Volleyball officially started back today. Training in progress for the superstar.
We're excited about volleyball.
Excited. Yeah. The what? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that.
We ate a lot. I mean...
I ate a lot.
You ate a lot.
Yeah. I'm not weak. I love baked ziti. I told you that already. That's my favorite.
I'm a person. I don't know what's wrong. What's going on with this guy?
That's my favorite. I'm gonna take the last bit and that's it.
The last right here.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's right.
You really like it?
No, I'm not gonna take no more. It's delicious. Didn't I tell you that? I told you it was delicious. But the baked ziti was horrible.
That's what I'm gonna put. I'm gonna put the title.
It was the first day the
baked ziti was horrible.
Let's see how much people come then.
They're not gonna come. They're gonna say, yeah, they trying us again. We ain't coming there. Fuck them.
But family, you know how it is. That's life, you know. Sometimes you gotta see.
We're just laughing at some of these comments.
We're not worried about the comments. We just want to see.
Yeah, but these people are crazy.
Really, cause you know they have channels they just talk about people all day, and they get all the subscribers them over there just hear bad stuff. You know what I'm saying? But we don't get down like that, family. Yeah, I know the real of us. Y'all been rocking with us forever. So you already know how we get down. But we had to do that one. I loved it. Wow.
Sometimes,
oh, family, I got a good word for y'all today, okay? Just hang in there with us.
Sometimes I like these small bottled waters and sometimes I don't. I have a next one though, but it's almost like, excuse me, when I'm thirsty, it's not enough water. When I'm not thirsty, it's like, it's just the right amount. It's weird.
The main thing I love about this,
yeah,
you got all that different meat. That's what I love. I love meat.
You love meat?
What kind of meat, Daniel?
I have meat for you.
I love that meat there too. Family, I know y'all want to go, so I'm gonna give you a word. I'm gonna finish my little bit right here.
I enjoy this meal.
It was the next beautiful meal. We appreciate it. It was great, you know. Thankful for it too. Always thankful for your food.
Thank you.
All right, family, listen now. All right. First thing, I want you to listen to this, okay? Family members and the viewers, I want you to listen up. You know, this is a segment now. Okay.
Segment.
Yeah. You never know what people are going through, and sometimes the people with the biggest smiles are the struggling the most.
Ooh, that's very true.
Again, I'm gonna say it for you again, okay, family? That's true enough.
It's very true.
Again, family, listen up now. Yeah, I don't know if y'all went away and come back, but now come back again now, family. Listen up now. Oh gosh.
Oh.
Okay. You never know what people are going through, and sometimes the people with the biggest smiles are the most struggling. Reply.
Yeah.
If you agree, let me know.
Yes, I don't have on my wedding ring.
Yep.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Nobody noticed. I'm just letting you know. I was doing my daughter's hair.
They don't know.
I have to take it off.
Listen, they don't worry about that.
I gotta be careful because
we're not still like.
No, I gotta be careful because the viewers, not the family members.
No, not the family members. They already know what time it is.
She don't have her ring on.
Yeah, something's going on. Yeah.
No,
we don't get down.
I just took it off because when I'm doing my daughter's hair, the hair gets tangled. Yeah. Anyway.
Appreciate y'all. They make it that far anyway, so you they ain't gonna listen to that part.
That's true.
The family members, but the other viewers, they won't. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, comment, subscribe, share, and like. Get us to 5,000. And I'm Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. And they are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there spreading negativity.
Yes. 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 Very.
And we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us.
Yes.
We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course. Bye.
For real. That was delicious.